in each living thing, the need of water is different. Different living things need different, there is different need of water. ठीक है, some living things need more water, some living things need less water. So now we are going to study. स्वरा, कुछ खा रहे हो बेटा? नहीं ना? Okay. So now we are going to study. दीक्षा, क्या हो रहा है बेटा? दांत दुख रहा है आपका? नहीं ना? Okay, so today now we are going to study the animals and plants which need less water and animals and plants which need more water. Which are the animals which need less water, who can survive without water for many years, for many days? Let us study them. Okay, wait a second. So need of water is different in all living things. All living things need of water differs. Okay, अलग अलग नीड रहता है वाटर का हर एक लिविंग थिंग्स का. So water, which are the animals which need less water, which can survive without water for many years? Which are the animals? First animal is kangaroo rats. ओके, पहला एनिमल कौन सा है जो पानी, बिना पानी के रह सकता है बहुत दिनों के लिए, बहुत महीने तक विदाउट वाटर ही कैन सर्वाइव, इज कंगारू रैट्स. वेयर यू कैन फाइंड दिस कंगारू रैट्स? यू कैन फाइंड दिस कंगारू रैट्स इन हॉट एंड ड्राई प्लेसेस. विच आर द हॉट एंड ड्राई प्लेसेस? डेजर्ट एरियाज. ओके, डेजर्ट एरियाज में आप ये कंगारू रैट्स देख सकते हो. Okay, so these kangaroo rats can live without water for many years, for many days. How they survive without water for so many days or for so many years? How they can survive without water? What they do? Do you know what they do? What do kangaroo rats do to survive without water for so many days and so many years? They get water from the food they eat. उनको क्या, कहाँ से पानी मिलता है? जो खाना वो खाते हैं ना, उससे उनको पानी मिलता है ना. व्हाट डू कंगारू रैट्स ईट? दे ईट सीड्स. दाने रहते हैं ना, सीड्स. दे ईट सीड्स. सो फ्रॉम दैट सीड्स दे गेट वाटर एंड दे स्टोर वाटर inside the body for many years and many days. So that's why they don't need more water every day. Okay, so first animal is kangaroo rats who can live without water for so many days and so many years. They store water which they get from the food. They save the water that they get from the food. And what food they eat? They eat seeds. ओके, वो क्या खाना खाते हैं? वो सीड्स खाते हैं. तो सीड्स में भी थोड़ा पानी रहता है, तो वो पानी वो अपने बॉडी के अंदर स्टोर करके रखते हैं. सो दैट्स व्हाई दे डोंट फील थर्स्टी एंड दे कैन लिव विदाउट वाटर फॉर many years. ओके, एंड वेयर यू विल गेट दिस कंगारू रैट्स? in hot and dry places. Which are the hot and dry places? The desert areas. In desert areas you will find this kangaroo rats. Everybody understood? वेदांत unmute करो.
Yes, teacher.
Vedant, read this first paragraph till kangaroo rats. Read.
Kangaroo rat there like
पहले हेडिंग पढ़ो. हेडिंग क्या है? What is the heading, Vedant? ऊपर देखो हेडिंग लिखा है. नीड ऑफ वाटर इज डिफरेंट इन ऑल लिविंग थिंग्स.
water is
वेदांत का मूड नहीं है पढ़ने का शायद से. Mute yourself, Vedant. रुद्र तांबे अनम्यूट करो.
Yes, teacher.
Read from the heading. Read what is written. पढ़ो क्या लिखा है. पढ़ो क्या हो गया सबको. Animals that need less water. Is my screen clear? Suparna teacher, is my screen clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Is
It
my
is clear.
Yes, Rudra. You can see the screen now. Then read what is written. यहाँ से पढ़ो. ये देखो यहाँ से पढ़ो. Animals that need less water. यहाँ से पढ़ो. Animals that need less water. यहाँ से पढ़ना स्टार्ट करो. Yes, what has happened to all of? Which is the first animal that needs less water?
Kangaroo rats. They live in
They live.
dry and hot place. They save water that they get from food.
That they get from food. From food they get water and they save that water inside their body. Now can you tell me which food does kangaroo rat eat?
Since
Seeds. S-E-E-D-S. Seeds. वो क्या खाता है? सीड्स खाता है. वो सीड्स से उसको क्या मिलता है? पानी मिलता है जो वो अपने बॉडी के अंदर स्टोर करके रखता है. Okay. So first animal is kangaroo rats. Which is the other animal which needs less water? All of you have seen this animal, right? He is known as the ship of the desert. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? शिप ऑफ अ डेजर्ट. कैमल्स. किसने किसने कैमल का राइड लिया है? Who all have taken the ride of the camel? कभी ऊंट में बैठे हो? Okay, so camels are also known as the ship of the deserts. Camels can also live without water for many days. They also need less water. What they do? They at a time they drink lots and lots of water. वो एक टाइम में ना बहुत सारा पानी पी लेते हैं और वो अपने बॉडी के अंदर स्टोर कर लेते हैं. तो इससे उनको ज़्यादा प्यास नहीं लगती and they can live without water for many days and many months. वो एक ही टाइम पे बहुत सारा पानी पी लेते हैं, बहुत पानी स्टोर कर लेते हैं अपने बॉडी में, and after that they don't need water for many days and many months. So which are the two animals which need less water? First is kangaroo rats and second one is camels. Camels also live in desert areas only. Okay, kangaroo rats, camels, they both live in desert areas, hot and dry areas. Okay, so these two animals are the animals which need less water. They can live without water for many days, many months. Okay. शौर्य अनम्यूट करो. शौर्य महाडिक.
Yes, teacher.
Shaurya, read the camel paragraph.
Kangaroo rats, they
ठीक है, पढ़ो फिर से.
in they
live in
live and hot place. They save water that they get from food.
What food does kangaroo rats eat? Shaurya,
Yes,
वो कौन सा खाना खाता है शौर्य? कंगारू रैट?
seed.
Seeds. Now read the camel paragraph.
Camel needs rich water. They drink
Large amount of water
lot of water
at a time
at a time and go for
longer time.
longer time.
Means at a time they drink lots and lots of water and they store the water inside their body and they can live without water for many months and many days. Okay. Now एनिमल्स, अभी हमने देखा, हमने पढ़ा एनिमल्स विच नीड लेस वाटर. ऐसे कौन से एनिमल्स हैं जिनको कम पानी लगता है? अभी हम पढ़ेंगे एनिमल्स एंड प्लांट्स विच नीड मोर वाटर. एनिमल्स विच नीड मोर वाटर. विच इज द एनिमल विच नीड्स मोर वाटर? जिसको ज़्यादा पानी लगता है. विदाउट वाटर ही कैन नॉट सर्वाइव. विच इज दैट एनिमल? एलिफेंट. हम सबका हाथी महाराज. ओके, हम सबका हाथी महाराज. सो एलिफेंट इज द एनिमल विच नीड्स मोर वाटर. ही नीड्स मोर वाटर टू ड्रिंक. फॉर ड्रिंकिंग ऑल्सो ही नीड्स मोर वाटर. फॉर टेकिंग बाथ, for taking bath also he needs more water. And to cool his body in summer times. See children, in summer times when it is very hot and humid outside, all animals body becomes very hot. सब एनिमल्स का बॉडी बहुत सारा गर्म हो जाता है. So to cool their bodies, what they do, they sleep inside the water. वो पानी के अंदर ही सो जाते हैं. Tiger, if you go in the zoo in during summer days, in the afternoon, if you go to the zoo, what you will see? Hippopotamus, animals like hippopotamus, animals like tigers and lion also, they will sit inside the river. वो पानी के अंदर ही बैठे रहते हैं. क्यों ऐसे बैठे रहते हैं? टू कूल देयर बॉडी. Okay, so elephant is the animal which need more water to drink, bath and cool their bodies. Each and every animal needs water to cool their bodies. Not just elephant, each and every animal needs water to cool their bodies, because in summer times their body becomes very hot. Their body becomes very बहुत गर्म हो जाती है उनकी बॉडी. ठीक है. And the plants, now the plants which need less water. आप तो बोलोगे टीचर प्लांट को तो पानी चाहिए चाहिए, फिर आप वो खाना कैसे बनाएंगे, वो ग्रो कैसे होंगे? हाउ द प्लांट विल ग्रो इफ दे डोंट गेट वाटर? ऐसे भी कौन से प्लांट्स हैं जिनको पानी के, जो बिना पानी के भी ग्रो होते हैं? There are such plants also who can grow without water also. Which is that plant? Cactus. Cactus is a plant which can grow without water. Cactus is a plant which needs less water. Okay, without water also, with less water also it can grow easily. Okay, cactus, where we find this cactus plant? We find this cactus plant in desert areas. जिनको भी पानी कम लगता है ना, सब डेजर्ट एरिया में ही मिलते हैं. ओके, एनिमल्स एंड प्लांट्स who need less water all live in desert areas. Okay, so cactus is a plant which need less water and it can grow with less water also. Okay, so these are the animals which need more water, and the plants which need less water. I hope everybody is understanding. Vihan, unmute karo.
Yes, ma'am.
Vihan, read what is written.
Animals that need
Animals that need more water.
animals that need more water. Elephants. Animals like elephant. Animals bath and cool their body. Cactus plant like cactus grow in desert area. They need less than other plants.
Okay, so cactus is a plant which needs less water and which grows in desert area, and it can grow with less water. Okay, understood, Vihan? Vihan, tell me which are the animals which need less water?
Kangaroo, rat, and camel.
Kangaroo rats and camel. What do kangaroo rats eat?
Seed.
Seeds. From seeds they get water and they store water inside their body. That's why they don't feel thirsty for many days and many months. Okay.
Yes.
Very good. Very good, Vihan. Okay. Mute yourself, Vihan.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
वेलकम. सो चिल्ड्रन, यहाँ पे आपको एक चीज समझनी है. यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड वन थिंग हियर. व्हाट इज दैट वन थिंग हियर? दैट नीड ऑफ द वाटर डिपेंड्स ऑन द साइज ऑफ द बॉडी. how much water we need, how much water we can drink, that depends upon the size of the body and types of activities we do. हम जो रोज रूटीन जो हमारा रहता है ना, उस पर डिपेंड करता है हमें कितना पानी चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं आपको एक एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ. सपोज नाउ यू आर अटेंडिंग ऑनलाइन लेक्चर्स हियर, राइट. आप यहाँ पे बैठे हो, आराम से बैठे हो, मोबाइल के सामने लेक्चर अटेंड कर रहे हो. बट योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड, देयर इज वन योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड हु इज आउटसाइड इन द प्ले ग्राउंड प्लेइंग. he is jumping, he is running, he is kicking the ball, right. अभी आप मुझे बताओ किसको ज़्यादा पानी की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी, आपको कि आपके बेस्ट फ्रेंड को जो बाहर खेल रहा है, भाग रहा है, दौड़ रहा है? किसको ज़्यादा पानी की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी? थिंक एंड टेल मी. See, you are here attending online classes, sitting and attending the online classes, right?